This beautiful past paper question was asked by one of you on my Facebook site of explainingmaths.com. It's a past paper question, yeah, so credit goes to Cambridge Examinations. We are here simply to solve it and to help each other understand maths a little bit better, yeah. But to make clear, I did not create this question. Okay, so what is going on? Even before reading, just have a look at the diagram, yeah, not drawn accurately, but I see a cylinder with two spheres, two footballs or oranges inside. And what does it say? It says two solid spheres indeed, each of a radius of r centimeters, yeah. They fit exactly into a hollow cylinder, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. The radius of the cylinder is r centimeter, yeah? So the outside of those spheres are touching, let's say, the surface area on the inside of that cylinder. You see that? It fits exactly. The height of the cylinder is equal to 4r, yeah? So that is indeed a radius, a radius, a radius, a radius. Let me just write it down. That equals 4r. So those spheres are lie on the bottom of the cylinder and reach exactly till the top. 4r is the height. Good. The volume of the space inside the cylinder, which is not occupied by the spheres, is 125 over 6 pi centimeter cube. Yeah, well, that is of course very important information, and that is all the space inside, you know, around the cube. As you can see, there's all sorts of space still available, and the volume of that space is 125 over 6 pi. Good. Calculate the value of r. So what is the radius, and show your work clearly. Now, what can I say? Well, first of all, let's write down what is the volume of a cylinder. Yeah, the volume of a cylinder, although it's not a prism, but it behaves like a prism, where you find the area of the cross section, the cross-sectional area, times the height is the volume of a cylinder. Yeah, it's a formula you should be familiar with. So I can write down pi r squared, yeah, cross-sectional area, times the height. That is the volume of the cylinder, and that is going to equal two of those spheres. So let me just write down 2 times the volume of a sphere, 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Yeah, plus, because what is the volume of that cylinder? Yeah, it's 2 times those spheres, but plus all that space around those spheres. Yeah, and that volume is 125 over 6 pi. So plus 125 over 6 pi. Okay, there we go. Now let me just write down the equal sign there. Let's simplify this side. So that's going to be 8 over 3 pi r to the power 3 plus 125 over 6 pi. And on the left side of my equal sign, the height of my cylinder, is 4r. So I'm going to write down pi r squared times 4r, and that is, so I'll do that in my next line, 4 pi r cubed equals 8 over 3 pi r cubed plus 125 over 6 pi. Okay, now please remind yourself, this is an A star grade question, so this is not the easiest question on your exam, but so far nothing really difficult has been done. We have just equaled the volume of the cylinder. We have equaled that volume to 2 times the volume of a sphere, plus the volume around those spheres, which they gave to me, is 125 over 6 pi. Now I see some like terms here, so I'm going to rearrange it. I'm going to, let's say, take away the 8 over 3 pi r cubed on the right side of my equal sign. So I'm going to take that away here as well. And what is 4 minus 8 over 3? So 12 over 3 minus 8 over 3, that is actually 4 over 3 pi r cubed equals 125 over 6 pi. Okay, so how did I get 4 over 3? That is 4 minus 8 over 3, because it's both of them is pi r cubed, pi r cubed, so 4 minus 8 over 3, and I did that mentally because 4 is equivalent to 12 over 3, 12 over 3 minus 8 over 3, that's 4 over 3, pi r cubed equals, so that one is gone now, 125 over 6 pi. I can divide both sides by pi, because they have that in common, and then I can to get rid of that 4 over 3, I can times both sides by 3 over 4 or divide both sides by 4 over 3, which is the same. Anyway, r to the power of 3. If you do that properly, you're going to get so 125 over 6 times 3 over 4. So r equals the cube root, of 375 over 24. You plug that in your calculator, and it will tell you 2.5. And do we have a unit? Centimeters, Good. 2.5 centimeters. What a beautiful question, And it's all algebra together with some mensuration, It is the volume of a cylinder equals 2 times the volume of a sphere plus the volume around it. And then it's all rearranging. If you do that properly, it is a beautiful question. It's great to solve it. Thank you for asking me on my site, expandingmaths.com. So like and share this video, guys, so I can help your friends too. So please, if it was useful, do that in return for me. Like and share it. And check my site, expandingmaths.com, for all my resources, nicely organized, and you will find everything you need over there, expandingmaths.com. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Bye bye.